my sucking eyes. It really isn't very hard to try. I've been trying to kick it hard, but I never really get that far. Can you hear it in my broken voice? I guess I got no choice.